Here the problem is integral is from 0 to pi by 2 root of cot x by root of cot x plus root of tan x into dx. We prove that it is equal to pi by 4. So for that first one we have to take that I is equal to, let this term, the total function can be taken as I is equal to integral is from 0 to pi by 2 root cot x by root cot x plus root tan x into dx. And we prove that it is I is equal to pi by 4. We know the formula, that is integral is from 0 to a f of x is equal to integral is from 0 to a f of a minus x. So just we substitute that x, the x equal to a minus x. So here what is the a value? A value is equal to pi by 2 here. That is we substitute that a minus x, that is root of cot of pi by 2 minus x divided by root of cot of pi by 2 minus x plus root of tan of pi by 2 minus x. We know that cot 90 minus theta, that is nothing but a tan theta, and tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So the cot 90 minus theta, that is nothing but tan theta, and tan 90 minus theta, that is nothing but cot theta. So this is taken as I. We can add 1 and 2. So that is nothing but, what is the value of 1? 1 is nothing but I, and 2 is also I. That is nothing but I plus I is equal to, in this one, the one is integral from 0 to pi by 2 root of cot x by root of cot x plus root of tan x into dx, plus integral from 0 to pi by 2 root of tan x by root of tan x plus root of cot x into dx, and I plus I, that is nothing but a 2i, that is nothing but integral from 0 to pi by 2. So here the denominators are same, that is nothing but root tan x plus root cot x. We can add the numerators. One numerator is root tan x, another numerator is root cot x. If we are adding, we get that integral from 0 to pi by 2 root tan x plus root cot x by root tan x plus root cot x. Both are same, cancel one each one. Integral from 0 to pi by 2 into dx. Integration of dx. What is the value of integration of dx? That is nothing but x. The limits from 0 to pi by 2. So here we know the formula, upper limit minus lower limit. We get that what is the upper limit? The upper limit is equal to pi by 2. Just we substitute that x is equal to pi by 2 here, minus lower limit. What is the lower limit here? 0. Substitute that x is equal to 0. We get that 2i is equal to pi by 2. From that I is equal to pi by 4. So here what is the model? The model is integral is from 0 to pi by 2 f of x by f of x plus g of x. These two terms are both f of x same, into dx. What is the value? The value is equal to pi by 4. And similarly, if we have integral is from 0 to pi by 2 sin power 20x by sin power 20x plus cos power 20x into dx is equal to pi by 4. It is same. Both are, all problems are same. It is depending on integral is from 0 to a f of x into dx can be written as integral is from 0 to a f of a minus x. If the I is equal to integral is from 0 to pi by 2 sin power 20x by sin power 20x plus cos power 20x into dx. Sin power 20x, sin power 20x. And what is the integral? Integral is from 0 to pi by 2. So what is the form? The form is, here we are writing that integral from 0 to a f of x into dx. It can be written as integral from 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. And here what is a? A is nothing but a pi by 2 here. We substitute that x is equal to a minus x. What is that a minus x? Pi by 2 minus x. And we get that sin of 90 minus theta, that is nothing but a cos theta, and cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but a sin theta. So we get integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos of 20 power x by cos of 20 power x plus sin of 20 power x into dx. Taken as this is 2. add 1 and 2, that is nothing but 1 plus 2. What is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 is nothing but I is equal to, that is I, and equation number 2 is nothing but I. So I plus I is equal to integral is from 0 to pi by 2 sin power 20x by sin power 20x plus cos power 20x. This is the first value and this is the second value. So if you are observe this one, the new denominators are same, sin power 20x plus cos power 20x, sin power 20x plus cos power 20x. If the both the denominators are same, we add the powers. The first numerator is we can add the numerator. The first numerator is sin power 20x and the second numerator is cos power 20x. So sin power 20x plus cos power 20x by sin power 20x plus cos power 20x. So both are same, cancel one, and we get that integral is from 0 to pi by 2 into dx, that is nothing but x, that is 0 to pi by 2. Substitute that upper limit minus lower limit, we get that 2I is equal to pi by 2, from that I is equal to pi by 4. And next, if you observe this one part problem, integral is from 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus tan x into dx is equal to pi by 4. So just we simplify that, we have the tan x. The tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. If we write that sin x by cos x, and this is nothing but sin x by cos x, and what is the LCM? LCM is equal to cos x. We do that, if we are simplifying this part, we get cos x plus sin x by cos x, and we get that integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos x by cos x plus sin x. So this problem is solved. So the part that is the first problem, that is sin x by sin x plus cos x. Instead of sin, we have a cos. It is similar to problem exactly. So we can solve this problem similar to the problem 1. And the next problem is integral is from 0 to 3 root x by root x plus root of 3 minus x into dx. It is same as problem 1. So and here the x equal to, substitute that x is equal to 3 minus x, and solved same as problem 1, we get that answer.